Abuja, the capital city of Nigeria, a country located in West Africa, often referred to as the Giant of Africa. And Abuja city itself is also referred to as the most planned city in Africa. Now, this is not because it is the most beautiful in Africa, but this is because every road, every building, every infrastructure you see in this city has been pre-planned, and they are rapidly working towards this plan. So anything that goes against this plan in this city will be taken down, no matter how long it has been there. There are a lot of things happening in Abuja, so it's safe to say Abuja is rapidly changing. And in today's video, I've decided to give a view, an in-depth tour of what some Abuja neighborhoods look like. Now, if you visited Abuja, you should be conversant with some neighborhoods in Abuja. Or if you've not visited Abuja, or you're planning to relocate to Abuja and you're wondering, what does Abuja neighborhoods actually look like? You want to know where to live? Today I'm going to be showing you two residential areas in Abuja while we drive through. Now, the first we're going to be seeing is Jabi, and the next is Jahi. So I want you to stay tuned and enjoy this neighborhood. Tell me what you notice in the comments, and tell me, have you visited Nigeria? And if you have visited Abuja, tell me, where did you stay in Abuja? And if you currently live in Abuja, tell me where you think is the best location to live in Abuja. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video to someone who definitely needs to see what Abuja looks like today. Alright guys, I am currently at this particular junction in Jabi, and we're going to be driving through to see the new buildings, new constructions going on. There are a lot, and this area is really nice. And I would say that if you're actually considering relocating or moving to Abuja, this area should be one of the top on your list. I would say it is an average area in terms of budget. Yeah, if you're looking for a budget friendly, still good area, but not entirely budget friendly. You could get a lot of new contemporary buildings, as you can see here. And at this point, I'll say please hit the like button, because when you like this video, it shows the algorithm that this video needs to reach out to a lot of persons, so that they see the changes, the development happening in the city of Abuja today. You can take note of the buildings, the roads, the routes of transportation. There are several types, and I just want to really know what you think. So make sure you keep watching this video. Every second of it counts, because I want to hear your thoughts about this city, especially people who have not been to Nigeria. Yes, I know it will surprise a lot of persons. We have a lot of greeneries in the city of Abuja. Yes, and we have a lot of buildings, estates, uprising, penthouses, and you just need to keep watching, okay? Okay, I'm sure you've enjoyed the beautiful view of the greeneries. Yes, I do love greeneries a lot. So I actually enjoy it when I see it in cities that I visit. Okay, at this point, we are approaching the Jabi Lake Mall. That is a mall that's located just beside a man made lake. Yes, an artificial lake, but the lake is actually very wide. And interesting to know that this is the biggest shopping mall in the city of Abuja. Not just biggest, but the most popular mall in Abuja. So if you are visiting Nigeria, Abuja to be specific, this is one place that you definitely should check out. And I gave you a full tour of this mall in my previous video, so you definitely want to check it out. I'll just put a link above so that you just click on it to go check it out. And this is what the vicinity looks like. And yes, from here, we're going to be driving through an intersection that will lead to Jahi. We'll go to Jahi Junction, that next cash and carry. If you are a resident of Abuja, you know where I'm talking about. And then we'll drive through that axis and still show some areas, mostly residential areas in this part of the city. So, yes, keep watching. Okay, guys, so tell me at this point of the video, what have you gathered? What are your thoughts? I really, really want to know your thoughts in the comments. And yes, just in case you're wondering, this is also another side of Jabi, but a very popular one at that. This part is a major highway that connects Jabi to places like Utako, you know, places like Bega, Wuse, Life Camp. This is the major route that connects these areas. If you go to this part of the video and you have not hit the like button, please hit the like button. Share this video to someone you know will enjoy. And if you're just coming across my page for the very first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I actually want to see you here. Make sure your notification bells are turned on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'm a travel YouTuber that is very passionate about showing the beautiful side, the modern sides of Africa and disproving negative narrative. See you in my next video. Bye for now.